Hi,
Vaish, how are ya?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am fantastic. Boy, that hoodie, that's an iconic fashion drip you got going there.
Thank you.
No cap. I'm so sorry. All right. So, I hear we got law of sine and cosine going on.
Yep.
So calm down, right? Okay, I think what I'll do is I'm going to share both of these dealios so you can tell me what's up, okay? Let me do that. Let me stop share. Share. Okay. So you have the day off today?
Yeah, it's like the teachers have like some training the whole day, so.
And they need it. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
All right, no. Okay, so you know this. So it's way down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Are they just like endless things? Come on. Okay. All right. So we got this. Are you, I mean, do you know the laws?
Yeah.
Well, they're in your formula booklet, right?
Yeah.
So here we go. And I'll put the area one on there as well. Okay. So have you done anything? Like, have you done these?
I've done like some of those, yeah.
How we doing?
It's not bad at all, yeah.
Okay, so you're okay with this?
Yeah.
What about this?
Mm,
Pretty much the same thing. You want to try it?
sure, yeah.
You got your calculator?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's roll. Okay, can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not sure how it works when I got two things going. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's see, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna get this here for you because you have that during tests and stuff, right? I hope.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I guess I'll work silently because I feel like you know how to do this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe I can get some IB type problems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nope. Do I hear water dripping?
Hmm?
Do I hear water dripping? I hear like a, I don't care. I was just wondering.
I don't think so.
Okay, that's all right. Everything's all right. I'm just losing my mind. That's all.
Okay, I got the first triangle.
Same thing?
No.
We differed?
Yeah, I probably did something wrong.
Well, did you get to 8 sine 49 over sine 20?
Mm-hmm.
And 8 sine 11 over sine 20? Or whatever? You could have done,
Yeah, 8 sine 111 divided by sine 20.
okay, is your calculator in degrees?
Yep.
Well, let's make sure I did 8 sine 49 sine 20. 8 sine 11 over sine 20. I'm in degrees, so I don't know. I forget, do you have the Inspire or the 84?
84.
Okay, so I think I am right. Don't we have answers on this thing?
I don't think so.
Well, that's stupid. What did you get?
For perimeter, I got 47 point like
Ooh,
5, and then for area, I got 65.
1/2 A,
Like,
B. Oh, no, I did that wrong. This should be sine 49 here. But if we didn't get the same side lengths, and it should be sine 45 because I used 8 and Y, or 49, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me see what I get then. Maybe it's just the one side. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
I have sine 11 instead of sine 111. 47.5.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Worst tutor ever. Okay. So then sine 111. I'm like, oh no, it must be you, Vaish. Nope, nope, it isn't. What'd you get for the area?
60, like 6.
Yep. I don't know why you got these wrong answers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you should be.
Yeah.
All right, so for the second one, I think the perimeter is impossible to calculate, so we're not doing that. And I'm confident that you can find the area getting an angle using which law?
Using, you can use the cosine law.
Good. Do you feel like you want to practice that, or do you want to move on to bigger and better things?
We can probably move on.
Okay. Darn it. Oh, never mind. All right, sweet. Okay, here it is. And you are higher level, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. This is a good one. It incorporates a couple things. Let's see how the Vaish is doing today. Listen, and on a day off, I bet you all your friends are envious of you because they're like, oh my God, let's go out this morning. Let's go have some fun. You're like, no, I'm having more fun.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, they could never.
They what?
They could never.
They could never, right? Totes. All right. I'm gonna, oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna give you, I'm just gonna see how you do with A. And Talk to me about A if you're having trouble. A is the whole reason I'm giving you this question. What you thinking?
Wait, so are they saying the angle A is 5, 6?
No, they're
Or-
saying that the cosine of angle A
Oh,
is
so
5/6. So they want you to find the sine of angle A.
I didn't see the cos. My bad.
Yeah, it's the 3 letters right in front of the A.
Yeah, I can tell now.
Big yikes.
Okay, so let's see.
What you thinking?
Um, wait, give me 1 second.
I will.
So I was thinking maybe if we could split the triangle.
Oh, and get a right triangle?
Yeah.
Problem is we have no way of knowing what the base length would be. Like, I'm assuming you meant drop a perpendicular from B.
Yeah.
Not a bad idea.
Mhm.
Except there's no way to get the length from A to the intersection point, is there?
I mean, isn't it just 5?
Why?
Because 5/6.
Well, it's adjacent.
Yeah.
Oh, this. Okay. Okay, then what do you want to do?
And then we can find the length of the side, the side in the middle.
Okay. Wait. What do you mean? Oh, you mean the perpendicular?
Yeah, yeah.
The side in the. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I'm with you.
Wait, could this work or no?
Yeah, it can.
Okay. So you could just use the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay.
So 5 squared plus, I guess, x squared is equal to 36.
Okay.
So x squared is what's 36 minus 25? 11. So x is equal to the square root of 11.
All right. Cool.
So then sine of A is just, isn't it just root 11/6?
Booyah. Good. The other thing that you can always do is the Pythagorean identity whenever you're given sine or cosine. It's really the same thing as right triangle trigonometry. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. And it's on your formula sheet.
Mm-hmm.
So you could plug in cosine and then solve for sine. Okay.
Yeah.
But your way is just as good. Good. So what about the area?
The area. A half times AB sine C, so you can do a half times 6 times 8, and then you'd have to find sine of angle A.
If only we knew the sine of angle A.
Oh, it's root 11 by 6.
Isn't that weird how we like, oh, wait a second. I need, you like, where it's so ingrained in us that I need an angle before I can find the sine, right?
Yeah.
And that's why they put it on there, right? Just to see if you can think, because they know that some of your species can't. Or no, I think we're all kind of prone to that, you know? No, I mean it. Like,
Yeah.
like I need an angle. So yeah, like, you know, no cap, right?
Totally,
Listen,
dude.
you told no, now you're going back to my generation. You told me that I was saying things like it sounds like a white guy, right? So I'm just trying. Did you just choke?
No.
Okay. All right, let's roll. What just happened? Okay, sorry. I had a thing happen. Okay, so I got to do this in pieces because it's a long question. Okay, so this is our good friend Adam.
Okay.
And this is what Adam's doing. And then he has a good buddy,
Oh, God.
Jacob. I'm trying to save space, sorry, to get all this in. Just chill for a sec, my dude.
Okay. You got it, man.
Rockin'. While I'm arranging this, I'm going to a big old music festival this weekend. I think I'm gonna hear some dirty beats, some cool bops.
Nice.
That's not bad, right? That's not bad.
No, it's not.
I'm repping for my Jen.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh, all right, here we go. Enough with the comedy hour. Let's get down to business. All right, so this first diagram is like the first part, right? And then they do the second part, whatevs. And I wasn't trying to be funny with whatevs. At an average speed, okay. So that's this part, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Until he stops for a break at point B because, you know, he's out of shape.
Mm-hmm.
Then he leaves point B on a bearing of 114 and continues to hike for a distance of 4.6 until he reaches point C, right? So we're here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then now he has a friend, unbelievably. He wants to hike directly from camp to meet Adam at point C. Here we go.
Mm.
So I feel like you need to do some things maybe, and then check in and see if you're right, unless you want me to go through it. But I think you have enough info to handle this.
Okay, I'll try, and then if I have questions, I'll ask.
Okay, do you want the formulas?
Yes, please.
Coward. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That was a cheap shot. All right. I hope you are doing something fun this weekend.
I'm not.
All right, go. What you thinking on A?
Um, so I just made like a right triangle. And because we know A is 35, and then you go up for north, and then if you go just to the right, it's just like a right triangle.
What do you mean, like this?
Yeah, but like down, move the arrow down. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we know the length of A. So he's moving 4.2 kilometers per hour, but he's only like hiked for 45. So then you can find like how many kilometers he went.
Okay. And what, did you get it yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. I think you might be overthinking it here because he hiked 4.2 kilometers and you say kilometers. Interesting. How different people, anyway. 4.2 kilometers, right? Per hour.
Yeah. I
And he,
got
go ahead.
3.15.
Yeah. Okay. So you just have to do times 3/4, right? Or 45 over 60 or whatever.
Mhm.
Okay, good. Okay. So we got 3.15, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure you needed to make the right triangle. Or you don't need to make the right triangle, right?
Yeah, I didn't need to. I just
Okay. Just
Okay.
wanted to make sure.
show that A, B, C is 101.
Okay, so make sure that you read the whole thing before you go on to B, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
We talked about bearing, right?
yeah. So the outside angle is 114.
This guy right here, right?
Oh, it's not. It's just that part. I thought it was the no, that one. Oh, yeah. So that's 114.
Correct. Which makes sense, right? Because this would be 90.
Mm-hmm.
And degrees, or again, bearing is degrees rotated clockwise from north.
Mm-hmm. And then we know that the length of BC is 4.6.
Okay.
And they want us to show that ABC is 101.
Yes. Let me know if you want a hint.
Mm, does it have something to do with the 35-degree angle?
It does. And you see the north indicators?
Mm-hmm.
North is parallel to north, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we have, if we think of north as two parallel lines, we can think of AB as a transversal.
Mm-hmm.
And so we got a relationship between, I'll call NAB and the NBA, even though N is not a point, right? I think you see what I'm talking about? The N on the left, AB, NAB, and then the N on the right, NBA, those two angles. Do you remember that relationship?
Hold on, give me one. Is the angle is angle BAC 145? I guess no, I get you
No, no,
don't.
no, 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 no. I'm looking BAC.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure if maybe you're thinking about this angle as being 145, because that
No,
is 145.
no, not that one.
Yeah, because same side interior angles are
Wait.
supplementary. When you have two lines in a transversal, right?
Yeah.
A and B here, A plus B equals 180. Okay. So knowing that, we should be able to show that ABC is 101. If who's this loser? If Adam's facing north and he rotates clockwise all the way back to north, whoop, how many degrees
Oh,
is he gone?
oh, so 360 minus 145 minus 114.
Good. And this would be enough to show it.
Wait, that is minus 1.
I just added the 2 before I subtracted them, that's all.
Oh, I put the numbers into my calculator
That's
wrong.
okay. That's fine. But you would, when they say show it, you would have to write this down.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now, so this is 101. Woohoo! They want us to find the distance, what? From A to C.
Mm.
So this guy, right?
Yep.
Just for kicks, we'll call it little b since it's opposite big B. How about that?
Okay. Mm.
What you thinking?
1 second.
Okay, sorry.
Can you use the law of cosine?
You got that right, Jackson?
And then I was doing like b squared is equal to, but we don't know. Wait. Cos of, yeah, so b squared is equal to 3.15 squared plus 4.6 squared minus 2 times 3.15 times 4.6 times cos 101.
Booyah.
Yep.
I think you should try and get booyah into your culture, your team.
I'm okay.
You're good?
Yeah.
You're cool enough?
Yeah.
And you should get 6.05.
Probably, yeah.
Maybe I could do without getting 6.05, but whatevs. You should have gone obvi. All right, measure of BCA. What we gonna do now?
You can do the law of sine.
Yes, let's do it. Use your calculator to practice.
Wait, let me set up the equation.
All right.
I don't think I'm the one that needs to practice with my calculator.
Oh, snap. No, she didn't. Wow. Why are you dragging me so hard today? Wow. Oh my God, mad props to you.
I'm kidding.
No, Matt props. That is awesome. And you want to write this nonsense down just in case you pull a Dave and have a bad calculator sitch. Smell what I'm cooking?
Yeah. I got 30.7.
You're quicker than me. Thanks for that. And you're correct.
The student becomes the master.
Yes. Yes. All right. All right. So now we got the 30.7, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you able to see all of this?
Yeah.
I think you got to give me mad props for using dragon in the in the correct context.
I'll give it to you.
I've been holding on to it for a bit. I wasn't sure how I was going to get it in, but then you served it up. All right. So you know what we're looking for here.
Find the bearing that Jacob must take to point C.
So where's Jacob?
Point A. So they just want angle BAC.
Jacob, is that close?
They want the angle outside BAC.
Okay, so Jacob is standing here
Yeah.
on A. So he's facing north.
Oh, 35 plus BAC.
You got that right, Jackson. So this is an easy one, right?
Yeah. Uh, 83.26.
I got 48.3 here, right?
Yeah, and then add when you add them.
I don't know how you got two decimals. Right, I just get 83.3. I'm not sure where you got the 6, but that's fine.
Oh.
Because this is 48 point. How did you get 48.3? Did you use law of sines?
I got 48.26 because when I was like subtracting it, I used the exact number I got for 30.73.
Got it. Okay. Yeah. Bet.
Yeah, I like to actually be precise.
Oh my God, dragging away. E.
Jacob hikes at an average speed of 3.9 kilometers per hour. Find to the nearest minute the time it takes for Jacob to reach point C.
Careful.
Oh, so we know the length is 6.05.
Yep. Yeah, a little misprecise. All of a sudden it's 6.05.
It was always 6.05. It's gonna take him 1.5 hours.
Okay, but they didn't ask for hours.
Oh, times 60.
So
77.56 minutes.
hold the phone, Chuck. So time equals distance equals rate. So distance over rate, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 6.05 over what is it?
3.9.
3.9. Thank you. What did you get as your answer?
77.56.
That is incorrect. It's okay. So this is in hours. You're not multiplying by 60. So this is 1.5512 boop, 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 boop hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we already know that the 1 hour is 60 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you multiplied wrong.
Oh, I multiplied it by 50.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Shoes on the other foot, isn't it? About the calculator practice.
Get a load of this guy.
Oh, that sounds like white girl. Nearest minute would be 93 minutes.
Yeah.
Did you do a head tilt and a hair flip?
I will later.
You're gonna have to dye your hair blonde. Okay. All right. So, ooh. All right. Okay. So same sort of deal. All right, we got all kinds of things going on here.
Oh God.
No, I'm Dave. I'm pretty good at math. Not great, as you have seen,
Okay.
but I'm pretty good. I'm not comfortable with God. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah, I think you can achieve that status when you learn how to use your calculator.
Oh, wow. Okay. Back with the drag. Back with the drag. Oh, wait. Okay. A horse, two straight. Where's the horse? Okay. Gosh darn it. Yeah, I just need to learn how to manipulate these. All right. So this is the beginning. And this is the opening dealio. And then the length of DE of the arc is shown in the diagram. And then there's this thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the first dealio, and this is the second dealio.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No cap. I got it all straight now.
You got it, man.
Hey guys, my tutor, he's hella hip. He's hella hip. Okay, so we're going to put this in there. My goodness gracious. I'm tasking you, yo. I don't even know if that's a thing.
Don't even trip, man.
All right, let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at this. All right, I'm not sure. Well, let's get through as much as we can. Then you can do the rest on your own. Won't that be fun?
Yeah. Oh, I took the sequences and series reassessment.
And
I think it went pretty well. Like um I kind of knew how to do the last problem. I didn't really I started and I like, okay, this is going somewhere. So I asked my teacher. I was like, I don't really know what to do next. So he was like, maybe try doing this. So I think I might have gotten it. And then at the end of the test, I was just like, yeah, can you just tell me what my score is right now? Like, I need to know if I should go home and cry or not. And he was looking through it. He was like, you got this one right and this one. And then on one, I just made this dumb mistake. And then on the last one that I asked him for help, he was like, yeah, like I think you got this one right, but like the answer is very similar and you like probably did it in like the same way I did it. So you'll probably get maybe like a 90 or 95 on it.
Oh, that's terrible. That's
So I
awesome.
just
Good for you. Good for you.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for helping me prepare.
It's well, that's what I'm here for. Am I right?
Yep.
But I appreciate the thanks. So good for you. I'm really happy for you. Good for you.
Thank you.
That's a good feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Write down the next. Okay. What do we know here? A horse is tied to a post. That's terrible. That's awful. P, by a rope of length. R, meat trays. What's that all about? Meat trays, right? Freaking
Yeah.
England ruining the English language. Point B is on one fence. Got it. And point E is on the other, such that PD equal, okay, so they got it, all R's, right? And
Mm-hmm.
DPE, right? This is
Mm-hmm.
shown, got it. The length of the arc DE shown in the diagram is 28. There we go. All right. Write down an expression for R in terms of theta. So do you have your formula thing open? Because you can't, well, you should. No cap, just so you're not cracking on me, because you need practice knowing where stuff is.
Got it.
I'll give you a hint. SL 3.4.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, so what about, well, no, I mean, that's where it is.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, sorry. So help me out, bro. What do we got? What's R in terms of theta then?
Okay, so the length of an arc is so R is wait, so the length of the arc is they already gave it. It's 28 is equal to R times theta.
But I need R in terms of theta, so I got to divide by theta,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Booyah. Show that the area of the field that the horse can reach is, whoa, big yikes. Are you like stopping from cringing? Is that what's happening? You're like, oh God, I just stop it.
No, I'm
Stop.
trying not to cry about this math problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
At least it's not me. Good. All right. So
Okay.
what are we talking about? Show that the area of the field that the horse can reach. So what are we talking about here?
The area of the sector.
Mm-mm.
What? Really?
Really? Because we're talking about the area of the field that the horse can,
Yeah, isn't that just the sector?
no. What do you think, that this rope is actually a metal pole, or do you think the rope is flexible?
I mean, yeah, obviously the rope is flexed.
So maybe he could wander in here too.
Oh, that's true.
True
So
that.
the area of the sector and the area of the triangle.
You got that right, Jackson. Get going. I can have it. Read that. Yeah, let's get rid of that. That's stupid. Oh, I don't want that. I know what R is. I'm so dumb. This is
Wait, how did you get pi minus theta for that angle?
well, this angle is theta, right?
Uh-huh.
And all the way around is 180 degrees, but we are in radians, right?
We are in radian. Oh.
Yeah, because all of these these formulas, they all have to be in radians to work, right?
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, and then once you get that set up, since we're running out of time here,
Mhm.
the only other thing that's kind of tough that I'm going to ask you to wrap your head around is that, and we talked about this with identities, but if you look at the unit circle, it will make sense that the
Mhm.
sine of pi minus theta is equal to the sine of theta,
Mhm.
which can replace this.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. And so then the, oh, it says show, then you have to get to here, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So in a bit, I got a student coming right up. In a bit, I will send you the notes and I'll upload the video to your folder. Okay.
Okay.
All
Thank you
right.
so much.
You're welcome so much. It's always a pleasure working with you, and have a great, great weekend. Okay.
Okay, you
Find,
too.
find something fun to do,
Okay.
and stay out of
Trouble.
prison.
Oh, okay.
Everybody needs an attainable goal. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's
Okay.
mine every weekend. Be good.
Bye.